So this is gonna be pea gravel.
Somewhere right, yeah.
That's why you need to keep the map. When I give you paperwork, because I know there's going to be questions. So if you're looking at it this way, the house is this way.
Okay.
So it's going to be paver.
Okay.
The middle 6 foot.
Yeah.
It's
6
going to be
foot.
a walkway. They want loose pea gravel.
Yeah.
So it's going to be 6 paver. On that side is going to be loose pea gravel, the whole square.
Yeah.
They're going to build wooden
Planters.
beds.
Okay.
So instead, you're looking at it this way.
Yeah.
This way. It's
this way. Okay, I'm following you now.
Yeah.
Hey. Yeah, we need to pull that dirt back. You need to pull that liner back, because if not, it's gonna keep falling inside of it.
Yeah.
How's it going, sir?
How you guys?
Good. I'm John Henry. I'm the owner.
Oh, Cody.
Nice to meet you, sir. And this is Corey. He does all our social media marketing.
Cody, nice to meet you.
Is that all right if he videos all
Yeah,
this?
yeah.
All right, good deal. Good deal.
It's been a while since I don't know if you guys had more questions. Want to make sure.
No, I think the only question we had was on the making sure that we're doing pea gravel and pavers on this side and that side, not just, yeah.
And then we had talked about adding the surround on both.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we're going to do a border around both.
Yeah.
And then around the whole thing, and then we're going to bring a border down here to separate.
Yeah, I don't think we need it all the way down.
It'll separate the 2 squares.
Yeah, but the middle will be open.
Open.
Yeah. And then it'd be diamond pattern.
You got a beautiful view here.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
This would be a cool spot to hang out for sure.
Yeah, so we're going to have a table here, and then that'll be a fire pit.
That'll be nice.
And then this will be a garden and stuff, and then playground and stuff back there.
Yeah, that'll be perfect.
Knock down the whole thing.
That will be perfect.
So, I mean, I've never seen this done. So this is where the gravel and stuff will go. Then are we doing topsoil here? I know we talked about, was that just more around the exterior?
So this will all be, from here over to there will be wherever the measurements are, pea gravel.
Okay.
And then once we finish up, we got those 3 loads.
That'll be on the outside.
It'll be outside.
Okay.
And then
up where we've been at, drawing it around there.
Okay. So nothing under here, just the
yeah,
okay.
we'll put some topsoil for you to put in your planters.
Okay.
Whenever you do that, we'll just stockpile it over there.
Do those planters eventually.
Yeah.
So we'll leave some there for y'all to use on that.
Because if I leave you any topsoil here, it's gonna grow grass like crazy to that pea gravel.
Yeah.
So I gotta get rid of that topsoil to help prevent that.
Okay.
So
Do you guys do sod?
yes, sir.
Is this a bad time to do sod?
No, it's probably the best time to do it, honestly. If you're doing fescue.
Because, yeah, you know, we had talked about doing the topsoil and stuff over there, and we wanted to do, I don't know on that side, but like a playground on one. So we talked about just doing grass seed, but we always kind of wanted to just do sod.
Yeah.
I don't know if we could.
I can get you.
Yeah, I think you
got your wheel on the phone.
Yeah.
Trying to get rid of all this clay.
Oh my gosh, I guarantee it's a mess.
Oh, it's a nightmare. That's why we had put everything out here, and then the cats were getting in this and tracking all over, so I kind of had to put it away. Until
Yeah,
we
be
get
careful.
Yeah, there. So I'll try and go home with you. So
How many do you have?
just the 2.
And that one, I guarantee you, it don't stay white long. Once
It's
it
supposed to be white, but yeah, it's more of a brown right now.
is red clay.
Yeah.
Man, I just can't get over the view here. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's an amazing view. A lot of deer. Oh, yeah, I mean, they're.
There's a big buck. Right?
Yeah, we get deers, coyotes. We've seen some bobcats,
Really?
foxes. Yeah, but deer. I mean, yeah, we've seen. I think we've counted like 30 deer at one time before. Yeah, the field in front of us. I don't know if I ever get cows or something, but it doesn't perk out, so they can never build. So we'll always have that view.
That's good. I bet it's where it's so low right there, it won't perk for septic.
So they'll have 4 or 3, 4. It'll be 7 inches deep. If that makes sense. I'll send you pictures.
Where you got your transit set up at?
Like what, 2?
Yeah.
Yeah. John's here too.
Yeah, what's it for though? What grade is that?
The bottom one.
Oh, there's your
How
pole.
far out you want to go?
Yeah.
Yeah, hold on one second. You got a tape measure, Adam? That ain't gonna work. I need a real tape measure. You can bring it up 6 inches. Are you planning on shooting, coming out, walking off level off this? How much fall do you got?
Yeah, it's supposed to be so crazy.
He's got Dr. Swanna.
He's the one that set it up.
What'd you set it up at? Why do you not know what you set it up at?
57, 1 to 2.
So 6 inches. So you're gonna have a 6 inch step here. You're at a foot. You're at a foot. You're gonna set it up 6 inches because you got 4 inches of 57s. You said right. Then you got 2 inches of pug or an inch.
Do what?
You got an inch of pug or 2 inches.
1 to 2.
One. All right. So you're gonna be at 5 inches total, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're gonna have a 5-inch step from here down to the patio.
The patio should be set level.
Step